Batey, a registered dietitian and the program coordinator of the Food is Health Alliance at the University of Kentucky. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Southwest pasta salad. We're going to be using fiber-rich whole wheat pasta, adding some black beans and corn, as well as a homemade lime cilantro dressing. It's going to come together very quickly and be both nutritious and delicious. I'm just going to start with an 11-ounce can of corn and a 15-ounce can of black beans. And I'm going to give these both a quick rinse just to remove some of the excess starch and sodium. Then I'm going to add a 15-ounce can of diced fire-roasted tomatoes. Now, I wouldn't normally drain canned tomatoes, but because we're going to have a homemade dressing, I don't want my pasta salad too watery. So I'm just going to let these drain for a couple of minutes while I go work on my dressing. While my veggies drain, I'm going to whisk together a quick Southwest dressing. I'm starting with half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Here I've got a quarter teaspoon each of some onion powder and garlic powder. Then just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I've got about a quarter cup of finely chopped cilantro. Some people love cilantro, some people hate it. I happen to love it, but you could certainly leave it out if you don't like it. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which is about the juice of 1/2 of a lime, depending on how ripe your lime is. You may have to use the whole lime, but I think this one's pretty good. Now, I'm just gonna whisk this all up and get it nice and incorporated. Then I'll set it aside until I need it to finish up my pasta salad. Now it's time to mix it all together. To start, I have my half a box of cooked whole wheat pasta that I drained and let cool for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna add all of my veggies. Now, this pasta salad would certainly be delicious with whatever fresh vegetables you wanted to add. I've tried it with diced bell pepper, diced jalapeno, fresh tomatoes. It's really whatever you prefer, but today I didn't feel like doing any chopping. Last but not least, I'm gonna add that homemade Southwestern lime dressing. Store-bought salad dressings can be really high in sugar and sodium, so I tend to make my own when I can. They're really easy. You just need olive oil and some sort of acid. In this case, we used red wine vinegar and that fresh lime juice. So now that I've got it all incorporated, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least an hour, but then it's ready to go. As long as you store it in an airtight container with a lid, this will keep in the fridge for 3 or 4 days.